Good morning, student. Today we shall read how to use let in the narrations. When we have to change from direct to indirect speech, let is a word which is used, and how to use let in indirect speech we will know today. I will tell you. It is the part of imperative sentence. In the previous video I have told certain rules regarding imperative sentence. Imperative sentence में मैंने बताया, I already told you that subject is hidden. Subject is hidden and it is generally you. So we have to use request, order, advise, forbid, prohibition के केस में, and such kind of words according to sense. So here today we will learn about the use of let. So let's see, and the previous rules regarding tenses and how to change pronouns in the reported speech, the rest of the rules will remain the same. Use of let. अगर let से sentence शुरू होता है तो in narration सीखेंगे हम if let shows proposal in the sentence. अगर let proposal को show करे sentence में तो reporting verb जो said to हम करते हैं, लिखते हैं, वो proposed to या suggested to में change हो जाएगी, and we will remove let and we will use should and in place of let. So student, we will learn today certain uses of let in indirect speech. So this is, I have told you that if let shows proposal, reporting verb said to will change into proposed to, yes, suggested to, and let will be removed and we will use should in place of let. So let's see in case of proposal. And there are two methods here in proposed to or suggested to. We can, let's see first sentence. She said to me, she said to me, comma, inverted comma. Let's go to see. Let us go to see the movie. She said to me, उसने मुझसे कहा क्या, let's go to see the movie, चलो मूवी देखने चलें. तो इसमें हम we will use either proposed to or suggested to. इसमें से आप कोई भी आप यूज कर सकते हैं. तो see proposed to me, she proposed to me, फिर हम लगाएंगे that. She proposed to me that. अब जो अगर सब्जेक्ट या ऑब्जेक्ट में से रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब का जो सब्जेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट में से कोई भी फर्स्ट पर्सन के प्रोनाउन आते हैं तो हम लेटस जो होता है इसको हम करते हैं वी में चेंज, और अगर थर्ड पर्सन के प्रोनाउन हो तो हम बनाते हैं दे. तो यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी मी है तो वी लगाएंगे हम. लेट हटा के हमने शुड लगाना है. वी शुड गो to see the movie. She proposed to me that we should go to see the movie. ये वन मेथड था. इसका दूसरा हम इसको डायरेक्ट भी कर सकते हैं, and I hope you will find the second one easier than this one. इसमें हम और लिखेंगे, और आप इनमें से कर सकते हैं. She proposed she proposed to me to go to see a movie. There are two ways of changing the sentence in indirect speech using let when there is the sense of proposal. First sentence you have seen, she said to me, let us go to see a movie. Answer is, she proposed to me that we should go to see the movie. Second one, she proposed to me to go to see a movie. Both are correct, and both, whatever you find easy, you can write. So let's see next one. He said to them, comma, inverted comma, let's cast our vote. Let us cast our votes sincerely. आओ अपने वोट को sincerely means honestly डालें, means as you have seen that in the politics there's many people comes to your home to bring you under pressure and influence your vote. So this is that kind of sentence. He said to them, कहा, let us cast our votes sincerely. तो अपने वोट को तरीके से डालें, sincerely डालें, कैंडिडेट को देख के डालें. He proposed to them that conjunction लगाया, क्योंकि फर्स्ट सब्जेक्ट एंड ऑब्जेक्ट में से कोई भी फर्स्ट पर्सन के प्रोनाउन नहीं है, तो वी विल यूज दे हियर. ही प्रपोज टू मी, ही प्रपोज टू देम दैट दे शुड, लेट की जगह पे हम शुड लगाते हैं, दे शुड कास्ट देयर votes sincerely. देर का जो आवर है वो फर्स्ट वो इसके हिसाब से होगा चेंज, और इसका जो प्लूरल बनेगा ऑब्वियसली यहाँ पे हमने दे लगा लिया तो यहाँ पे देयर ही आएगा. ऐसा सिंपल थिंग्स. दिस इज the sentence, and another method we have also to change this. He proposed to them to cast their vote sincerely. This method is, I think, easier than the first one. So next use of let is, sometimes it shows request or order in the sentence. So if there is a request and order, so we will use in place of said to, order to, or request. So let's see if a let shows order or request. So sentence, let's see. Rani said to the teacher. रानी ने टीचर को क्या कहा? What did Rani say to the teacher? Let me go home early. Let me go home early. कि मुझे घर जल्दी जाने दें. तो obviously रानी said to the teacher, बच्चा टीचर से रिक्वेस्ट ही करेगा. तो रानी said to will be changed into requested to. Requested to the teacher to let her go home early. रानी रिक्वेस्टेड द टीचर टू लेट हर गो होम. हर किस की लगाया? मी, क्योंकि फर्स्ट पर्सन का प्रोनाउन है मी, ऑब्जेक्टिव केस है, तो यहाँ पे ये अकॉर्डिंग टू रानी यानी कि सब्जेक्ट ऑफ रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब के हिसाब से चेंज होगा. आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू मैनी टाइम्स दीज रूल्स. सो मी विल बी चेंज्ड इनटू हर. सो लेट मी गो home. So answer will be Rani requested the teacher to let her go home early. So let's see next sentence. The principal said to the peon, the principal said to the peon. क्या कहा? What did the principal say to the? Let the boys go away. Let the boys go away. कि बच्चों को जाने दो. So the answer will be the principal ordered the peon to let the boys go away. I think this is not much difficult, student. This sentence is not difficult. अगर let show करे proposal तो propose to suggested to. अगर let show करे order या request तो आप said to के बजाय आप लगाएंगे requested या ordered to on. आगे जो मैंने बताया the previous rule will remain the same. let का let ही रहेगा. और इसमें next है rules जो कि very important भी है. So let's see the last and very crucial रूल्स रिगार्डिंग द यूज ऑफ लेट. अगर लेट दिखाता है कंडीशन और सुपोजिशन, इफ लेट शोज कंडीशन ऑब्लिक सुपोजिशन, अगर कंडीशन और सुपोजिशन को शो करे तो said to told me और let हो जाएगा might में. ये चेंज होंगे, सर्टेन रूल है. और इन्वर्टेड कोमास को हटा के वहाँ पे हम लगाएंगे that. सो कैसे? When you will see the sentences, you will come to understand very well. So said to me, she said to me, उसने मेरे से कहा, let him work ever so hard, he cannot win the prize. वो कितनी ही मेहनत क्यों ना कर ले. So said to me, उसने मेरे से क्या कहा, let him work ever so hard, वो कितनी मेहनत कर ले, he cannot win the prize, प्राइज नहीं मिलना उसको. ये कंडीशन कर दी उसने, मेहनत कितनी करी लेकिन प्राइज, he will not going to get the prize. In case however hard he may work, he will not win the prize. So let's see. She told me that him, थर्ड पर्सन का जो ऑब्जेक्टिव केस है प्रोनाउन, तो ये बदलेगा नहीं तो, लेकिन इसका सब्जेक्टिव लगेगा यहाँ पे. he might, let का might, he might work ever so hard. He might work ever so hard. He cannot का could not. She told me that he might work ever so hard. He could not win a prize. मेहनत वो कितने भी कर ले, उसने कहा कि वो लेकिन प्राइज विन नहीं करेगा. ये कंडीशन पोजीशन के केस में said to told me, let का might me, and the previous rule will remain the same. Let will change into might and said to told, and यहाँ पे इन्वर्टरी कॉमा को रिमूव करके हमें that का यूज़ करना होता है. Student, I hope you have got this topic very well, you have understood this, and still you have any kind of problem, you can ask me. Till then, keep practicing, keep learning. May God bless you all. Have a great day.